Today's product is Intro Video App. It's an application released by Digital Entrepreneur Lab. It's released tomorrow on the 5th of June at 9 AM EST. This application, it creates short introductions, something like about 10 seconds. Now, the sales page here is quite plain. It's no fluff, no dust, no bull. It just tells you about the product with a couple of examples, and then it tells you who it's for, 30-day money-back guarantee, and access now. Click the access button, takes you back to the top of the page because the product isn't released yet, so you can't buy it. But it's released in 1 day, 6 hours and 32 minutes. Now if we go just back down to these examples, we can click on one of these examples, see what it does. It gives you a 10-second video here, 10-second video. If we play it, you'll see the sort of thing it does. Just a quick reveal of your logo. That's that simple. Added to the beginning of your video or the end, it just gives an attention grabbing few seconds for people to see your logo. So let's go inside the product and have a look and see how simple it is to use. Hi there, this is Ed Anguish from digitalwisebuys.com, where we give tips, tricks, help and information to new entrepreneurs just like yourself who are trying to start a new business online. If this is your first time on the Digital Wise Buys channel, then please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to make sure that you get notifications when we release new videos. If you're serious about starting a new business online, then stay all the way to the end and I will tell you how you can get your business set off on the right foundation, on a firm foundation. Let's pop over onto the dashboard. So there's the home page, and these are the templates that you get with the front end. There's 15 on each page here, that's another 15, and that's it, that's 32 altogether. And these are the projects that people have been having a go at. This is demo access, so people have been having a little play in here and putting their logos in to see what they can get. Now you come down here, then there is support, which is email support. Settings, which just puts your access settings in, and a logout. So let's go back to home and we'll pick a project. Explosive logo, we'll do this. Now we want to create a logo. You want to do this for yourself, so you click on create a logo. It's that simple. It couldn't be any easier really. You go in here and you now select your logo. You've got a choice. You can get your picture from Unsplash, Pixabay, from your library on your computer, or you can browse. So I've already uploaded a couple of logos, so I'm going to have a go at these. I'm going to do two. I'm going to do this JPEG logo. I'm going to choose this one, which is this one. So it's now put that one in there. I'm going to put a tagline on here, and I'm going to put Digital Wise Buys, which is just the name of the website. So we'll do that. Click next. You can choose the colour of your text, whatever colour you want. I'm going to leave mine as white. If you click on here, it changes it to it changes the colour. But I'm going to leave it as white, and then you can add sounds. So you've got various music tracks. We're not going to add a music track, so we'll click next and start rendering. Now this has put it in a render queue here, so it says it's queued 3 seconds ago. While it's doing that, let's click on home. Let's go and have another go. We'll do this one. Yeah, we'll do that one. It looks quite good. We'll create the video. So we go into here, and I'll click browse, cancel. And I've got one in my library. We did the other one before, so we'll do a PNG one this time. We'll choose it, PNG is in there now. So I'll click a tagliner here and I'll put EWB. We'll put it in capitals. DWB. We'll not have the tagline on. We'll go for new entrepreneurs. For new entrepreneurs. I'm going to leave the colour as it is on this one because it's a bright black background, so I'm going to leave it on there. We'll click next and next again. I'm not going to put music on, and I'll start rendering. Put music. If I need music, I'll put it on later. So now, here we go. 3 minutes ago, we got the first one that was rendering. It's been going 3 minutes, and this one is here. So what I'm going to do is just leave that as it is and see how long it takes for both of these items to render out now. So what we're going to do is just wind it up a bit. We're going to speed up this section because we don't want to watch it. So let's knock this down to something in the region of 10 seconds and see what happens. Okay, so it was 10.5 minutes to get to render point there. We'll carry on and see what it takes to get to the next one. That was the first. That was this one that did it. The second one that we did actually rendered quicker than the first one. So, of course, we had 3 minutes to take off for that. I can see the fact that this product is cloud-based is going to be the big breaking point on this, and it's going to be render times. But there you go, nearly 13 minutes. So now let's just have a look and see what the product is like, what sort of a video it's come up with. So here we go. And that's brought my logo up with the wording underneath. So I'm going to download that. Download that onto my computer to save it. Close, and now we'll have a look at this one. DWB for new entrepreneurs. That looks pretty good. Okay, and I can download that as well. And close that. So that is all there is to this. It's as simple as that. That's inside the product. Now let's go and have a look at the funnel. Now there's 4 OTOs in this funnel, a front end plus 4 OTOs. The intro video app itself with commercial rights I think is $15, $14.90 something, $15, with a downsell to personal rights only of $9.93. OTO 1 video ads creator with commercial rights is $27, but for personal rights there's a downsell to $17. OTO 2, the course vault 60 plus, is $47, but for resell rights only is $27. Whiteboard video creator app is $19 with commercial rights and $11 with a downsell for personal rights only. And OTO for video marketing course with master resale rights is $27 and resale rights only is $17. So that's the funnel and that's the product. So, in my opinion, well, some people would call it a shiny object. Well, I'm not going to call this a shiny object, actually. I'm not going to call it an essential object, but I'm going to call it a little bit useful. A little bit useful. It's going to save you a little bit of time, or if you went to Fiverr.com to get a 30-second intro made like this, or a 10-second intro made like this, it would cost you more than what this program would. So I know these are presets. There's a few presets set in here. You can't change the actual presets, but you can put your own logos in and just personalize it. So it's okay. So the only reservation I've got with the intro video app is the length of time it took to render. It took 13 minutes to render that. Now, at the moment, it's not released. When it gets released and it gets a few hundred subscribers all trying to render videos at the same time. I mean, don't forget these are only 10-second videos or 15-second videos. But when you get a lot of people trying to render it at the same time, well, then it's could put a lot of load on the servers if it's struggling now. So that would be my only reservation, my only area of concern, really. It's a cloud-based product, but you can download your end videos. So once you've downloaded them, you've got your videos, and you can use them as you wish. But as I say, it's just the render time that is a concern to me. So this is Ed Anguish from Digital Wise by saying thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it beneficial in any way, please give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time here, then click the link below this video and ring the bell to make sure that you get notifications when we release new videos. If you're looking to start a new online business and you want some really good training to help you get started the right way, click the first link below this video and learn about taking action online. It's a training program that will set your new business off on a firm foundation. Click it now. It's the first link below this video. This is Ed Anguish from Digital Wise by saying I'll see you in the next video. Bye.